In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to auto stop loss and take profit in TradingView. We'll start by opening your browser and heading to tradingview.com. If you're not already on the main charting page, select Chart from the top menu. This brings you to your workspace where you can load any symbol and time frame you prefer. If you plan to practice, consider using the built-in paper trading option so you can test without risking real funds. If you trade live, make sure your broker connection is active in the trading panel before you proceed. With your chart open, look toward the bottom of the screen for the trade button. Click it to open the trading panel. If you don't see it, expand the lower pane or switch to the correct broker or paper trading module. This panel is where you'll create and manage orders directly from the chart. Next, choose your direction by clicking buy if you expect price to go up, or sell if you expect price to go down. This opens the order ticket. For the order type, select market. A market order will fill at the best available price right now, which is useful when you want immediate entry. If you prefer control over the exact entry price, you would normally consider a limit or stop order, but for this walkthrough, we'll stick to market as shown. Now enable both take profit and stop loss on the order ticket. Turning these on ensures your exits are attached to the position automatically when the order fills. A stop loss helps cap your downside if the trade moves against you, while a take profit locks in gains at your target. You'll notice that TradingView displays fields for these levels and also draws horizontal lines on the chart so you can visualize them before you place the trade. Adjust the prices for your stop loss and take profit. You can type exact price levels, switch to percentage or amount if available, or simply drag the lines on the chart to fine-tune them. A helpful approach is to place the stop loss just beyond a logical invalidation point, like below a recent swing low for a long trade, and set the take profit where the next area of interest or resistance sits. Many traders think in terms of risk to reward, for example, risking 1 unit to aim for 2 units of potential profit. Double check your position size so that the dollar risk at your stop aligns with your plan, and remember that spreads and slippage can affect actual fills. That's it. You're on tradingview.com on your chart using the trade panel with a market order, and you've enabled and adjusted automatic stop loss and take profit so your exits are handled the moment your trade is live.